just got them out of the box and they fit perfect on my hangers that I already got here. Now, these are from LANDTOP. I even got a nice little cap. I don't know if they send that with everything you purchase or what. But guys, these here, I got the 6 foot long. They're actually 15 inches wide. And they're made out of, I guess that would be 2 3/8 by 4 3/4 aluminum rectangle tubing. Now one of these weighs more than that double ramp that I just took off. But these are heavy duty. I'm talking about they got good solid wheels all the way around the end. And one of the things I was looking for is a good aluminum ramp that had where this would hold right on the lip on this trailer. And again, these are LANDTOPs, and these are the 6 foots, but you can get different lengths. But I needed the longer ones because when I started out, I had shorter ramps than first ones I showed you. But when I have my spray rig on the back of my mower, it wants to rear up. I think these right here are heavy duty enough. I could actually load my little tractor with them, but I'm not because I don't want to run the risk of tearing them up. So when I use my tractor, I can put the metal ones back in there. But these are some heavy duty, are aluminum, and got good solid wheels. They ain't just tack welded, they're solid welded all the way around. So if you're in the market for some good heavy duty ramps and you want some aluminum ones, check out LANDTOP, and I'll put a link in the description below this video. And after seeing this, I will be going back to their website myself and seeing what all they make in case I need something else. Because I promise you guys, these are some heavy duty aluminum ramps. This ain't no just ATV ramps here. And I guess that's the difference. I guess what I had was considered ATV, which is just a 4-wheeler ramp. That's what I had back then. And I'm sure they making some that's stouter than that, your UTVs, because they're heavier than a regular ATV. So it was tearing them up and was finna tear them other long ones there up. So we finna load up and see what we think.